You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Portuguese explorer. If you want to learn more names of famous explorers from Portugal and from history overall, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. That's the original name, his original Portuguese name. If you want to learn his more common English name, stay tuned. Fernão Magalhães. Portuguese pronunciation, Fernão Magalhães, or Fernão de Magalhães. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.